Hey everyone, I am Mr. Isometric and this is a prerequisite video for a tutorial series in which you will learn on how to create a multiplayer game without writing a single line of code. We are going to make a FPS game in this tutorial series, but before that we will make a base game which is something like this, in which you have a join and a create button. So if you have already created a room, then you can directly plug that over here, or else you can make your own room and get connected to your game. So I have already tested this game with my cousin and it worked really well. So now this is a part of a tutorial series. As this will be a base game, it will make you familiar with the Photon engine. So yeah, I'll exit it now. So for making our game multiplayer, we are going to use a free asset called Photon PUN, and for the installation of this asset you have to watch the tutorial link in the description. Also, I am using Unity version 2021 because visual scripting is integrated inside this version. So if you are using older version, then you have to install Unity Bolt manually inside the Unity, and to do that there will be a link in the description below. All the game assets required for making this game will be provided for free by myself. Link will be in the description for that as well. So that's being said, stay tuned for the future video by subscribing and turning on the notification, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.